Hello guys, this is your boys back here, and guys, in today's video I'm going to show you something massive, like it's a world-breaking Guinness record. I don't know, maybe in the prof space. I don't know, it could be, who knows. What is the agenda for today, guys? In today's video, as you guys saw from the title, I'm going to show you how I passed my prop firm challenge Phase 1, Phase 2, FTMO 50Ks in a day, right? Phase 1 in a day and Phase 2 in a day. Y'all gonna be, how did you do it? And plus that, I didn't even go in drawdown in both two phases. I didn't go in drawdown, zero. Guess what? I passed them in a take, in one setup. I told you, y'all guys gotta give me the props for this, right? Okay, so guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Stick with me to the very end of the video, because throughout the video, I'm going to expose to you certain things in terms of my psychology, how I went through the whole thing to pass the challenge. And at the end, I will reveal to you some interesting stuff. All right. Having said that, let's go and check my 50K account. All right. FTMO. Let's go. Okay. So guys, here we are on the FTMO dashboard. I will start with the phase 1. All right. So here is the phase 1, all right, as you guys can see, 3rd of February, okay? So here we are. I passed the first phase, okay? They gave the account to me on the 29th, and guys, check it out. You see, 0 drawdown, 1 take, and I pass it. And guys, I don't even risk that much crazy. I just risk 1% per trade. It's quite decent. Like when you pass in the first day, you need to trade extra 4 days, right? So, that's why y'all guys are seeing all of these, all right? But in reality, what happened is that the whole thing happened on the 29th, all right? You see, 29th, we made the 5%, and the extra days that I took the trade to ended up in profit. But they don't really count, all right? The real thing is here. Okay, and FTMO had to rate my strategy, give 100% winning rate to my strategy. Hey, I can't fake that. I can't fake that. All right. Now, if you guys know anyone that have done this in the prop firm space, I want to see you guys put that person's name in the comments. I don't even think the gurus have even done that. Any one of them has break this type of record. It's not just this. All right. Now I'm gonna take you guys to the second phase, all right? And y'all guys can see. So a little detail here. Now look, these guys, they gave me the account on the 29th. Pay attention. They gave me the account on the 29th, and on that same 29th, I took the trade and passed the challenge. Guys, this good-looking chocolate guy here must have discovered something, right? It's called mastery and bravery. Guys, if you're already dead to the market, you are not anymore afraid to die. If you die to the market, believe you me, you are no more afraid to die. Because you're already a dead man. And y'all know, the market has yanked you all that it could do. Allora, let's go to the second account, all right? Let's go to the details. Okay, so they gave the account to me on the 3rd of February. I'm telling a story here. Okay, the first phase on the 3rd of February, FTMO closed it on the 3rd of February because the 4 days had to transpire with me taking some trades. So it ended on the 3rd of February, which happens to be today. And on this same day, they gave me the second phase. And this nice chocolate handsome guy jumped on it again. I connected it to my account. And guess what? Me on fire. Me on fire. Where are my patois people? Anyway, the setup just showed up and I had to pass the second phase to. Guys, I want you to know, second phase to 0 drawdown. 0 drawdown, bro. Like, come on, how can this guy make it? This is not just a coincidence. This is not luck. This is not things just work in his favor. Bro, man, this is God on God. This is God on God. Now, allow me to brag on this, all right? God, why God on God? All my strategies are called God. God's grace, God's favor, God's wrath. God is good, all right? So one of these strategies I used to pass this challenge. On which asset did I use it? I use it on God asset, because God did. I use it on God's assets. What is this God's asset? Take up the L, ladies and gentlemen. Nobody but God, gold. You feel me? I like to call gold God. All right. You know, just to pop high it. So yeah, guys can see minimum trading days, 1 day. All right. So tomorrow again, I have to take some trades and yeah, just to make FTMO happy. You see, here we are, 2 trades on that same setup and boom, we broke it. Look, again, win rate 100%. Come on now. Oh, more. This guy must have found something. Yes, indeed, guys. I've been working my eyes out for years. We came here to stay. We came here to make a difference. We came here to make an impact, to aspire and inspire. Do you guys feel me? We got to do justice to the game. You feel me? We got to do justice to the game. Now, let me take you guys to the trading accounts, okay? So that I will show you the setups real quick. Then we wrap the video up. Okay, so guys, here we are on my account and this is the first challenge, all right? Yeah, guys can see here, first challenge, okay? So this is the setup that I took to enter into the first challenge and 10% on this one trade here, all right? Risking just 1% straight from top to the down. I closed it and the market reversed because I had already hit my take profit, all right? I even made more than the 5%. I'm not going to dig much into how I found the setup. I've done, you know, a very detailed video on it explaining what went on and stuff like that. So if you want to understand that, you know, how I did my analysis and to jump into this trade, I have a video called how I passed my FTMO 50K account in one take. You can watch that and I give the breakdown in that video. All right. So yeah, after I did that, then I had to trade in the subsequent days. As you guys can see, one trade here, another trade here, and another trade here. Funny enough, it's almost like I knew what the market was going to do because I did buy and it went up. Here I did buy and it came up. Here I did buy and guess what? The market is still in buy. Guys, what am I going to say here before we move to the second account? What I will say here is, guys, there is something about you trading one pair, all right, that I had to learn it in the hard way, or I came to realize over the period of time. There is something about trading one pair. You know, you come to a point whereby there is this oneness between you and the pair, all right, that you can understand the moves of the pair. As a matter of fact, my strategy is quite unique, all right? I don't compare it to any type of strategy in the trading space. Do you understand me? My type of strategy is like telling a story. Do you understand me? So I follow the market just like that. I follow the market. Every move that the market do, I'm in. And then when it reverses, I'm in. And then when it gets to the top and it reverses, I'm in. When it is consolidating, I'm in. This is my strategy for you. So any move of the markets, we are making money with my strategy. No wonder it's called God. I'm going to leave it just there. All right. So how did we pass the second phase? Here we are. All right. So we jumped into here. My strategy gave me a signal. I jumped into first position here, then second position here. Then in this same setup, guess what? I hit my take profit. I close it and the market reverse. That is it all about this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Guys, if you want me to help you fast track your trading journey, if you want to get the same results that I am getting in trading, guys, reach out to me on Instagram, all right? Or put it in the comment section that you want to receive, you know, my mentorship or training. And I will make sure that I will let you guys get all the info, all right? Because guys, you got to know that, you know, anything that is given to you for free, it's not all that there is. Do you get me? Yeah. So you really want to get into the right mind, the right space. Do you understand me? And with the right people. Do you understand me? And as I said, guys, I'm here to deliver. I'm here to do justice to the industry. I'm here to help you guys because I can understand how frustrating it is when you want to get out of, you know, this financial challenges. Having said that, guys, make sure you do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, become part of the community. I love you all. very soon I'll be launching some different products in terms of managing accounts, all right, whereby you guys will be making money for free and you don't have to do anything. You don't have to press a button. You will be making money for free. I said it. Yes, it's a service that I'll be giving very soon, me and my robots, all right? Me and my system that I've built throughout this whole year. Yeah, we'll be offering a service whereby you guys will be making money and hands-free. And you'll just be paying for the service, all right? And yeah, that is that, guys. Having said that, I love you all. And make sure you like this video. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.